Well, I stayed right on it. Got both of them put together. And I've already oiled the back of this one, and you can see I've started oiling the front. Just finished up this area here. This one I'm oiling the back. I like to have a coat of oil on all of it. So I'll turn this one over, finish oiling. Now notice the other thing I did was I had some of these aluminum hooks that I had, but I couldn't find them, and I may have used them all. So I decided to make my own aluminum hook. So I just drilled a big hole in and then anchored it after I just cut it down a little bit. Sanded the edges a little bit, but it's still, you want to be careful because it's kind of sharp yet. But it's something, as long as, you should be careful hanging things up anyways. So I'm going to go finish oiling. Finish oiling right here. You can see all the different colors really coming out. That black walnut really jumping out. And then you'll be able to see the designs because I did 2 different designs. Okay, let's finish oiling, and then I'm going to take a break, and we'll give it another coat today yet, and then we'll have to let them dry.